So I made it through my extremely long 6-day, 10-hour shift work week, and I have one more to go, and then I'm going to be done with that overtime. My solar job that I've been working on getting together, that's making progress. I should be getting leads here fairly soon, so it'll still be a while before I actually get to, actually make money doing that job, but that's moving along, so that's really good news. And today is my only day off this week, so I'm going to use it to go do laundry and take a shower, because I haven't had a chance to take a shower all week. Not because I haven't had access to a shower, there's a shower right over there, but with that done, it's time to go get laundry washed and get things cleaned up today. Now that the laundry's done, it's time to head down to Seattle and get my mail. I should probably move my address out of Seattle, just because the taxes are really high and I have to go there periodically and I don't really want to. But time to go anyways. So after 3 or 4 hours of driving to get my mail, I finally made it back to my campsite. And it's awesome. There's no one here, or I think there's one other camper in this entire campsite. And granted, it still is 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but I don't think there's going to be that many more people coming in. Usually the campsites start filling up a lot earlier. So this is really, really cool. The campsite managed to stay empty pretty much until the weekend, and it's the weekend now. I'm halfway through my second 6-day work week. Should be the last time I do this until December. Hopefully I'm not at this job by then, but who knows. And so, yeah, things have filled up a little bit now that it's the weekend, and things have turned cold. It's been getting below freezing at night. There hasn't been any ice in my car. I'm keeping it warm enough, just with my body heat, that it hasn't frosted over, and it's just below freezing. But tonight it's supposed to be a big frost problem until 10 a.m. or so, which is halfway through my shift. And so I'll be driving for work in the cold tomorrow. It's going to be a cold night at the campsite, and I'm well prepared for it. I should be good down to about 10 or 15 degrees, and it's only supposed to be down to like 30 at minimum, so I'll be fine. And we'll see what it's like in the morning. But really, that's all that's going on right now. Not too exciting again this week, just because I am working so much. So there you go.